to the shop, and welcome to a fiber laser tutorial. Okay, so I'll just show you a few things about a fiber laser, basically very quickly how one works. How a fiber laser works, and I've had a lot of comments regarding in one of my videos where I said that my particular fiber laser, which is a 30-watt fiber laser, can put out a peak output of 24 kilowatts. And of course a lot of people didn't believe that was possible. Well, it actually is. When you consider that a fiber laser works on a different time frame to what we do. Okay, this is the inside of a fiber laser, very similar to mine. In fact, it's fairly identical. Now, what you see here is these are individual diode lasers. So there's 8 here and 8 here. There's another 2 here, but they serve a different purpose. So this 8 and this 8, they all fire, shall we say, sequentially. Okay, now they fire in a time frame of billionths of seconds. So they on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay? So when they fire, they're firing approximately about 2 watts each. Doesn't seem a lot, does it? But they fire and they're connected up to this big long coil of fiber optic. And that fiber optic is, the best way to explain it is a capacitor or a battery. In other words, it stores all that fired photons into it. It stores it within this coil, and it builds up in a few billionths of a second. So it stores the energy inside that fiber optic cable. Now these 2 here are the seed lasers. Now when they go off, it prompts or promotes the stored energy inside this big coil of fiber optics to leave it and go out to the head. So when you see the laser on the material, etching material away, it's not one continuous flow of laser beam. It's an intermittent beam. So it fires off, fires off, fires off. So quickly we perceive it to be one continuous beam. So the time that the beam is off allows the energy to build up inside this fiber optic coil to a massive amount, and then it's promoted to leave or go out of the fiber optic or up the fiber optic to the head, the galvo head, and does the job. So that is a very basic operation of how a fiber laser is able to put out such a massive amount of photons or laser power in relation to the power that it actually draws. Okay? This is another example. of a different different fiber laser, but basically they all work in a very similar way. And of course the galvo head, where you have two galvo motors that are connected directly to a mirror, and it's when these move very slightly, it can direct the beam through the lens and anywhere on the focal area. It's really as simple as that. Okay, and this is a diagram of what I was just explaining to you, where you have the pump diode lasers here, all put in or firing into the fiber optic, and you have the seed laser here, which is the control laser. And basically that's it in a diagram format, where they're saying here that, so you put 3 watts into the system, and here it mentions the amplifier, that's the coil of fiber optic, and leaving the amplifier you have 1 kilowatt. So there's an example there as a diagram form. Okay. Oh, answering another question too. I've had lots of people ask me, where would I buy, or who would I go to buy a fiber laser or a CO2 laser for that matter. There is only one company that I would advise, and that is Thunder Laser. They're reliable, dependable, they're everywhere, as in they have outlets that are run by the people in those nations. You know, if you're in America, you can go to an American stockist and speak to an American. Same with England, same with Australia and other parts around the world. So you know, and it's good kit, and they sell all these types of machines. This particular one isn't a Thunder Laser. I bought this one way before I was involved with Thunder Laser, so but I can guarantee you my next one will be. So if you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. If you really like what I'm doing, you could consider becoming a patron to the channel. Patron information is below this video in the video description area, as it's the patrons behind the channel. As it's the patrons behind the channel that keep it all going. So thank you for joining me, and it's bye for now.